Which foam cannon for your pressure washer is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Tool Daily Foam Cannon. First up is the Tool Daily Foam Cannon, which caught my attention for its price of just $17.99 and impressive 4.5-star rating from over 50,000 reviews. If you want a reliable foam cannon that doesn't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You simply fill it with soap and warm water, connect it to your pressure washer, and adjust the knob to dial in the foam thickness. The adjustable nozzle also allows you to control the spray pattern, making it versatile for everything from washing your car to cleaning driveways. With 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that people are loving it. Now, some people complained about the plastic build quality. Here's the thing though, while it may not feel as premium as metal options, it holds up well under pressure and does the job effectively without costing you a fortune. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use foam cannon. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty and metal. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Product number 2, Westinghouse Foam Cannon. Next up is the Westinghouse Foam Cannon, priced at $17.86 and backed by a solid 4.5-star rating from over 600 reviews. This one really caught my eye because it claims to offer pro-level cleaning at a very accessible price. What stands out about this foam cannon is its ability to generate thick, even foam that clings to surfaces, making it perfect for detailed cleaning. It connects easily to most pressure washers thanks to its 1/4 female quick connect. Rated up to 3600 psi, it can tackle everything from your car to outdoor surfaces with ease. Users rave about how easy it is to adjust the foam concentration, saving time and effort during cleanup. It's no wonder over 1,000 have been sold this month. Some reviews mention that it can sometimes struggle with thicker soaps. But honestly, if you're using the right cleaning concentrate, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just stick with recommended products and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're serious about car detailing without spending a fortune. Skip it if you need something more heavy-duty for industrial use. Value-wise, it's an excellent choice for home use. Product number 3, Tool Daily Dual Connector Foam Cannon. Now we have another option from Tool Daily, but this one comes with a dual connector accessory and is priced at $30.99. With a 4.4-star rating from 249 reviews, it's evident that users appreciate the features this model offers. This foam cannon is built for versatility. This means you don't have to waste time disassembling parts mid-clean. It can handle up to 3000 psi and has a max flow rate of 8 GPM. What's great is that you can customize the foam thickness with just a turn of the knob, which is a game changer for different cleaning tasks. Plus, the variety of nozzle tips means you can tailor the spray angle to your specific needs. A few users have mentioned that it doesn't fit every pressure washer perfectly. Here's the thing though, it's designed for standard connections, so as long as you check your specs, you should be good to go. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility and ease in your cleaning routine. Skip this if you have an incompatible pressure washer. For what you get, it's a solid investment. Product number 4, Astro AI Foam Cannon. Next on the list is the Astro AI Foam Cannon, priced at $19.54 and boasting a 4.6-star rating from over 5,100 reviews. What caught my eye about this one is its heavy-duty design and user-friendly features. The adjustable nozzle makes it easy to control the thickness of the foam, making it a fantastic tool for anyone who wants to detail their vehicle effectively. Users have praised its effectiveness in getting into those hard-to-reach areas, which is crucial for a thorough clean. However, some users noted that it can clog if you use soaps with wax components. Here's the thing, just use cleaning solutions without wax and you'll avoid that issue. It's a small trade-off for such a high-quality product. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable foam cannon that's easy to use. Skip this one if you need something that can handle wax-based soaps. For the price, it delivers excellent performance. Product number 5, Macmillan's Foam Cannon. Finally, we have the Macmillan's Foam Cannon priced at $49.98 and holding a solid 4.5-star rating from about 1,900 reviews. This one is a bit pricier, but it really stands out for its quality and features. What's nice about this foam cannon is its wide mouth design, making it easy to pour soap without spills. It's built with durable brass connectors and can handle high pressure, which is important if you want something that lasts. The thick foam it produces helps with deep cleaning and prevents swirl marks, which is a blessing for your car's paint. Users highlight how stable it is compared to other designs, which is a nice touch. On the downside, some users mention the higher price point. But honestly, the build quality and performance justify the investment. If you're serious about car care, this one is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, high-performing foam cannon for serious cleaning. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. It's a premium option, but for good reason. So to wrap it all up, we've got the Tool Daily Foam Cannon for budget-friendly performance, the Westinghouse Foam Cannon for professional detailing, the Tool Daily Dual Connector for versatility, the Astro AI for ease of use, and finally, the Macmillan's for those who want quality above all. Choose what fits your needs best, and happy cleaning.